the Warhead Extreme Sour Candies. And I tried them before and they're really sour. I want to try them again. I have the green apple flavor in my hand. I'm so scared. Okay. I'm really scared of this. Okay. I can do this. I can do this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. It's not as sour anymore. Yes, it is. Yes. Okay. Yeah. That was bad.